Ever sit down to study and within 5 minutes, like you're cleaning your room, scrolling on your phone, or just staring at the wall? You blame your willpower, but what if the problem wasn't you? What if it was your room? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to stop fighting your environment and start making it your secret weapon. This isn't about being a super organized robot. It's about designing a space that makes success feel automatic. So, let's talk about designing your environment for effortless success. It sounds fancy, but it's incredibly simple. Your environment has an invisible hand. It's constantly nudging you towards distraction or towards focus, towards procrastination or towards productivity. Think about it. Your phone on your desk is a nudge to check notifications. Your video game controller on your bed is a nudge to play, not to sleep. But what if we could flip that? What if your space was filled with nudges towards your goals? Here's how in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Become a friction detective. For the next day or two, I want you to just notice. Where does your day get stuck? Is it the morning scramble looking for a clean shirt? Is it that you always get distracted when you sit at your desk to study? Every time you feel that little jolt of frustration or that urge to avoid a task, that's a friction point. Your environment is creating resistance. Jot these down. You're not failing. Yes, you're just collecting data to build a better system. Step 2. Engineer for ease. Now, we use that data. For every friction point, you create a simple solution. This is my favorite part. Example. If you always get distracted by your phone when studying, that's friction. The solution? Create a phone parking lot in another room. You're not using willpower to ignore it. You've simply removed the option. Example. If you never go to the gym because your workout clothes are buried in a drawer, that's friction. The solution? The night before, lay out your clothes, shoes, and water bottle. You've just made the easy choice the default choice. It's about making the right thing to do, the easiest thing to do. Put your textbook on your pillow if you want to read before bed. Leave your guitar on a stand, not in the closet if you want to practice. You are literally shaping the path of least resistance to lead directly to your goals. Step 3. Create visual cues and zones. Your brain loves clear signals. A messy desk that's for eating, gaming, and studying? That's a confusing signal. So, let's create some clarity. Your focus zone. This is your sacred study space. It should be clean, with only what you need for that task. A specific lamp you turn on only when studying can be a powerful trigger for your brain to snap into focus mode. Your launch pad. A small spot by the door with your keys, wallet, and bag ready to go. This single hack eliminates so much morning stress. Your recharge corner. A specific chair or spot with a book, a journal, or just nothing at all. This tells your brain, here, it is time to rest. This separation is crucial. Your bed should be for sleep and relaxation, not for anxiety-inducing homework. Look, I know this might seem small, but these tiny changes compound. Every time your environment helps you make a better choice without you even thinking about it, you're not just being productive. You're proving to yourself that you are in control. You're building evidence that you are the kind of person who has their life together. You don't need more discipline. You just need a better design. So your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to pick just one friction point. Just one. And this week, engineer it away. See how it feels. Let me know in the comments what one friction point you're going to tackle. Is it your phone, your morning routine, your study space? I read every single one. And if you want more simple psychology-backed tricks to make studying and life feel less like a struggle, hit that subscribe button. Let's build spaces that set us up for success together. Thanks for watching. You've got this.